Okay, I'm probably pushing my fucking luck being on the basalt here. I'm hoping that the dam does not open its floodgates while I'm down here, but there's so much fucking cool shit I gotta show you some of this stuff. Like, this is amazing. So it might not look super powerful at the moment, but like I tell you, when the water's like up to there and the water's fucking raging through here, it's ripping shit up. Anyway, it leaves all these really cool marks. I don't know if you can see this. There's another one. The water's ripping through here so fast that it's gouging. Makes these super cool patterns. I guess it's similar to like the vortices that come along here because the water's ripping along so fast. And then here you can see the cracking pattern forms like these angles, and that's what eventually leads to the columnar jointing that's really famous in basalt flows. So I just found a rock here that, well, when I was a kid, I called them lava rocks. And I mean, they're made of lava, but I didn't know what it actually was. But they're everywhere on Whitehorse. There's tons of these rocks in this area, and then when the water comes up, they all get washed downstream. You can find, there's a park about, I don't know, a mile, 2 kilometers down that way, and you can find tons of them. I wanted to get a little closer look at this. These are the vesicles that I was talking about, which happen at the top of a flow. And then you can see, the further you go down, the smaller the bubbles are. And then here, like you got a bunch of small bubbles. And then up above, no bubbles at all, no vesicles. And then you get this crack, which I pointed out in the previous video. I guess it's a contact. And then there's a second flow. And then the pattern starts all over again. You got smaller bubbles, which get bigger and bigger, and then really big at the top. I'm just having so much fun down here. I don't want to leave. Then there's all these holes here, which is, I think, what they're using for either radiometric dating or for paleomagnetism. Here's a bunch more of these rocks. Actually, you know what? Fuck it, let's go downstream. Downriver, and this is what they look like, rounded.